Read reviews that most people are talking about AMHTDOL OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool. The features we would like to recommend are as follows. Car diagnostic scanner with full OBD, EOBD function. Read codes and clear codes, view freeze frame, I/M readiness status, live data stream and live curve, car speed, battery voltage, and more, car information reading. Mode 6 inspection, component system testing, oxygen sensor test, component testing, fault code query, battery life detection. Connect to YMOBD app via Bluetooth for more features. Many features can be extended and continuously upgraded through the YMOBD app, such as one-click full vehicle inspection, store and playback data streams, statistical analysis of fuel consumption, fault LED detection, vehicle information, trip analysis. Vehicle performance testing, vehicle simulation annual inspection, firmware OTA upgrade. Compatible with most vehicles and 10 languages available. OBD car scanner diagnostic tool for all American cars after 1996, European cars after 2003. Supports English, French, German, Dutch, Spanish, Italian, Polish, Finnish, Portuguese and Chinese. Plug and play. This OBD2 scanner requires no battery or charger as the unit is powered directly from the OBD2 data link connector in the vehicle. And there are 3 status lights on the device to remind you if your car is faulty, which is very friendly to beginners. Over-the-air OTA upgrade. This car code reader upgrade via over-the-air OTA upgrade without going through a computer and without the data cable. Opening the software YMOBD app, if the server has new firmware, it will be automatically upgraded. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.